In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can enable complete full screen in your VLC Media Player. So let's get started. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type VLC. Click on it under the best match. Now, as you can see, this is not yet in full screen. So look at the ribbon at the top and you'll find all these tabs. Simply click on the View tab and here you'll find full screen interface. You can also press the F11 key on your keyboard. Now check that. Okay, so you are now in full screen, but this is not yet a complete full screen because you can still see all the tabs at the top. So how can we hide these tabs? Again, click on view and then you have here minimal interface. Check that. And that's it. That's how you can go to complete full screen in VLC Media Player. And if you want to exit this one, just simply press the escape key on your keyboard. Okay, and that's it. And then you can just simply click on view and then disable the full screen interface. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.